Next question is the total standard direct labor cost for the period is. So standard direct labor cost is going to be the standard price times the standard hours. So we simply take the 12 that we had times what's given is 63,000, right? And we're getting 756. So after we solved for some of these items already, we have them available. Okay? Now 19, direct labor rate variance is. Okay, so the rate variance is going to be 12.6 minus 12, right? Because we came in our standard was actually 12 and it came in at 12.6. So 12.6 minus 12 times, now we're dealing with rates, so we're going to go with actual hours, right? And that's going to be 61,500. So we're getting 36,900. Let's see, 36,900 unfavorable. Why? Well, because if you look, our rate went up from 12 to 12.6. So even using actual hours, 61,500, essentially per hour we spent 60 cents more than we thought we would, right? So that's how I got this number, the 36,900, and that's going to be answer A. Okay. Now the direct labor flexible budget variance, right? That's asking us basically for the whole thing. So we know that this is the rate variance, right? This was the rate variance, and the hours or efficiency variance they gave us in the beginning was favorable by negative, it was favorable by 18,000. And this one is not favorable. This one is unfavorable. This one is favorable. So altogether, we're going to have this amount, 18,900. So 18,900 is unfavorable because we had more unfavorable than favorable. So this altogether is unfavorable also. So this concludes the practice exam, and what I recommend you do to study, as you're doing this study, and I would recommend the ones you didn't get right, I would go over that homework one more time, and especially just as what I talked about with this past problem, guys, I really want you to focus on the definitions, because to me the hardest part about the questions is when you're not really sure what the question is asking. So to get that right, I would go back and read all the definitions. Now that you know the problems, you understand how to do them, you already did it in your model, you already did it on the practice exam, you watched this a couple of times, and again, I'm recommending to watch this video 3 times. I think that once is great, twice is guaranteed you're gonna do better, but 3 times is the charm. If you want to do well on this exam, guys, watch this 3 times while doing the problems. I know you've seen these problems already, but believe me, practice, 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 and that will give you the grade that you really want in this class. So let me know if you need anything. Be in touch with me. Otherwise, I'll see you when I get back, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in lecture.